Fluency and Coherence in Speaking, the Pillars of Mastery. Hello, learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into a critical aspect of the C2 Proficiency (CPE) speaking test, fluency and coherence. If you're aiming to impress examiners and reach the pinnacle of English speaking skills, this is the topic you need to master. Let's get started. Fluency is the flow and speed of your speech. It doesn't necessarily mean speaking quickly, but rather speaking at a natural pace and without undue hesitation. 1. Continuity. Aim for a continuous flow of words. Avoid long pauses and excessive UHMS and ahs. 2. Rate of speech. Speak at a consistent speed. Not too fast, not too slow. 3. Avoiding overcorrection. While it's good to correct mistakes, don't overdo it. Constant self-correction can disrupt fluency. Coherence refers to the logical organization of ideas and how they relate to each other. It's about making sense. 1. Structure. Always have a clear beginning, middle, and end when presenting your ideas. 2. Transitions. Use words and phrases like, however, on the other hand, and, meanwhile, to seamlessly move from one idea to the next. 3. Consistency. Make sure your ideas follow a logical order and support your main point. 1. Practice makes perfect. Regular speaking practice can do wonders. Engage in conversations, discussions, and debates in English. 2. Listen and imitate. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to their flow and the way they transition between ideas. 3. Plan your ideas. Before speaking, especially in the test, quickly plan your answer. This ensures a structured response. In the C2 Proficiency exam, demonstrating fluency and coherence can significantly boost your scores. 1. Relevance. Stay on topic. The examiners are looking for targeted answers. 2. Variety. Show off your language skills by varying your vocabulary and sentence structures. 3. Interaction. Remember, the speaking test is not just about your ability to talk, but also to listen and interact effectively with your partner. Fluency and coherence are the backbone of effective communication in any language. As you gear up for the C2 Proficiency speaking test, remember to emphasize these two aspects. Best of luck, and keep practicing. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn and improve.